Hello dear students, I hope you're fine and healthy. We start the summary file for grade 11 for Social Studies Quarter 4. Question number 1 is asking about when did World War I happen? A. 1945 to 1955, B. 1955 to 1965, C. 1914 to 1918, and D. 1904 to 1914. So think for a moment which one is the correct answer. That's right, 1914 to 1918 is the correct answer. Very good. Number 2. Which country made the first declaration of the war? Germany, Serbia, Russia, or Austria-Hungary? Think for a moment. Which one do you think? That's right. D is the correct answer. You can also pause after I ask the question. You can pause or search your book or search the internet for the correct answer. Question number 3. Germany's attack upon which country directly provoked Britain to go to war? France, Russia, Belgium, Holland. Which one do you think is the correct answer? That's right. Belgium is the correct answer. Question number 4. What event prompted the Ottoman Empire to enter the World War I, actually? A British attack on the Dardanelles, a German attack on Russia, a Russian attack on Austria, or a British attack on Gallipoli? Which one do you think is the correct answer? Think for a moment. B is the correct answer. A German attack on Russia actually prompted the Ottoman Empire to enter the World War I. So read the choices carefully for a moment. A. Submarines and mines were a cheap and effective way to threaten battleship. B. Convoys eventually proved to be the most effective defense against submarines. C. The British Navy dominated the war's oceans through its aggressive use of submarine warfare. And D. Great sea battles between surface ships were relatively rare during the war. So which one do you think is the correct answer? Think for a moment. That's right, C is the correct answer actually. British Navy dominated the war's oceans through its aggressive use of submarine warfare. Question number 6. What major change in German policy contributed to the United States entering the war? A. An end to diplomatic relations with the United States. B. The declaration of unrestricted submarine warfare. C. Economic sanctions against the United States. D. An anti-British propaganda campaign in the American media paid for by the German embassy. So which one do you think? Very good. Actually, B is correct. The declaration of unrestricted submarine warfare actually was the main cause. Question number 7. Which of the following nations was not a member of the Central Powers during World War I? Germany, Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Turkey, or Serbia? Think for a moment. It's very easy. Very good. Actually, C is correct. Ottoman Turkey was not actually a member of the Central Powers during World War I. Question number 8. Which of the following describes the condition of shell shock that soldiers suffered during the World War I? A. Emotional distress after long periods in the trench combat, severe head trauma from the explosive detonating nearby, a mental breakdown resulting from chemical gas warfare, or loss of extremities from premature grenade explosions. So which one do you think is the correct answer? Very good. A is the correct answer. Emotional distress after long periods in the trench combat. Question number 9. Most deaths in the worldwide flu pandemic of 1918-19 occurred in which country? Germany, France, the United States, or China? Which choice do you think? Very good. China is correct. Question number 10. What was the name of the first U.S. civilian ship to be sunk by a German submarine? A. Lusitania, B. Housatonic, Titanic, C. Titanic, or D. Maine? Which one do you think is the correct answer? Think for a moment. Which one? Very good. A is correct. A is actually Lusitania, and that's the correct answer. So question number 11. On what date did the United States declare war on Germany? A. December 7, 1914, April 6, 1917, January 29, 1918, or November 4, 1917? Which one do you think? So think for a moment. If you can remember, it's actually B. April 6, 1917. That's the correct date. Next question, 12, is very easy. We spoke about it a lot in class. In what year did USA declare war in World War I? 1914, 15, 16, or 17? Think for a moment. It's actually 1917, right? Question number 13, what is the main cause of World War I? Slavery, A. Slavery, B. Poverty, C. Nationalism and tendency to be united. It's D. Imperialism and tendency to colonize other countries. So which one do you think is the right answer? Very good. It is D. D is correct, right? Okay. Now we have the questions here. The list of questions are written here. What is imperialism? The tendency of a country to expand its influence through colonization or use of military force or other means. Was the main cause of World War I, as we told, the imperialism and tendency of countries to expand their power by colonization and using military force. When did World War I start and end? 1914 was the starting date and 1918 was the ending date. What were the effects of World War I? The war changed the economical balance of the world, leaving European countries deep in debt and caused high inflation in Germany also. What is nationalism? It's a desire of people with the same history, language, and customs for self-rule, to rule their own country. What is abolitionism? Abolitionism is actually a movement to end slavery. Number 7 is, why do nations go to war in your opinion? It's personally your own opinion. There are different causes, so think about it and write your own answer both here and both in the exam. Question number 8 asking you about what were the causes of America's entry to World War I. So all the details are written here. What the main cause was, Germany actually attacking ships of the United States like Lusitania and killing many people and civilians. Number 9, what were social and cultural effects of World War I? The answer is also written here, so please read them. And if you had any questions, you can ask me on EduPage. So good luck to your students, and I wish the best for you. I hope you get a great mark in the exam. Good luck and have a wonderful time.